Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Class Remotely. Today I am going to show you how to solve some exercises on direct and indirect speech. So let's get started. Now we will take a look at some sentences. The teacher said to the girl, "You have forgotten to put on your mask." Now this is direct speech. This is the speech that the teacher is using while addressing the girl directly. You have forgotten to put on your mask. So this is within inverted commas. Now when you convert this to indirect speech, obviously you are narrating it. You are narrating this speech, these words of the teacher to some other person at a different time, later, that is in the future. That is why you use the past tense. Now, the teacher said to the girl, "You have forgotten to put on your mask." Said to will get converted to told. And have forgotten will become had forgotten. Past perfect tense. This is present perfect tense and this will get converted to past perfect tense. The boy said, "I shall go out and jog." Said. So said will remain as said in the indirect speech. Now said reporting verb is in past tense. The boy said, "I shall go out and jog." The boy said that he should or he would. Should indicates probability and would indicates certainty. The boy said that he would go out and jog. The children said, "We shall bake another cake next Sunday." The children said that they, the children are talking about themselves. So the children said that they would bake another cake the following Sunday. Next Sunday will become the following Sunday. Maya said to me, "I am happy to assist you." Said to. This will get changed to told in the indirect speech. Maya said to me, "I am happy to assist you." So this is Maya's direct speech. So how will you change it to indirect? Maya told me that she, you are talking about Maya. So Maya told me that she was happy. So this will change to present tense, will change to past tense. That she was happy to assist me. You are talking about yourself. To assist me. Next one. Grandma will get angry if she hears this news. Timothy exclaimed. Timothy exclaimed that. Grandma will become would. Grandma would get angry if she heard. Hears will become heard. This will become that. That news. So Timothy exclaimed that Grandma would get angry if she heard that news. "I have lost my money and yours too," she told them. So how will you convert this? She told them that she had lost. Have lost will change to had lost. Have lost is present perfect tense. This will change to past perfect. Had lost. Now she is talking about her money. My money means she is talking about her money. So she told them that she had lost her money and theirs too. Yours will change to theirs. She told them that she had lost her money and theirs too. Now we have some more examples. I'll show you those. The queen says, "I have lost my jewels." How will you change it to indirect speech? It's very simple. The queen says that. Again you are using the conjunction that, and with that the comma and the inverted commas, they all get removed. The queen says that she has lost her jewels. The queen is talking about herself. So she has lost her jewels. The students say, we must keep our school clean. The students say that they must keep their school clean. Now you can see in both these sentences, the reporting verb is in the present tense. Therefore, when you change these direct speeches to indirect speech, the tense remains the same. The tense does not change. The tense remains in present. Now we come to question number 9. Tanya says, here also you can see the reporting verb is in present tense. Tanya says, these boxes are theirs, but this one is mine. Tanya says that these boxes are theirs, but this one is hers. Tanya is talking about her boxes. So mine will change to hers. Now let us look at question number 10. Here we have Tanya says, here we have Tanya said. So reporting verb is in past tense. Tanya said, these boxes are theirs, but this one is mine. How will you change it to indirect speech? Tanya said that these boxes will become those boxes. These will change to those. In the indirect speech, these changes to those. Are will become where. Then theirs will remain as theirs, but this will change to that, and mine will change to hers. Tanya said that those boxes were theirs, but that one, this one will become that one, is mine. It will change to was hers. Tanya said these boxes are theirs, but this one is mine. Tanya said that those boxes were theirs, but that one was hers. Question 11. The choreographer said, I led the dance show in the auditorium. So you can see the reporting verb is in past tense. So this is again very simple. Led will become had led. Led is simple past tense. This will change to past perfect tense. The choreographer said that she had led the dance show in the auditorium. Now here of course we don't know the gender of the choreographer. So you can also say, instead of she you can use he. The choreographer said that he had led the dance show in the auditorium. Both are correct. Either he or she. Then the last one. Lucy said to Diana, I have bought a new umbrella for you. Said to will get converted to told. Lucy told Diana that she had bought. Have bought is present perfect tense. This will get changed to past perfect. Lucy told Diana that she had bought a new umbrella for her. For you means for her. Lucy said to Diana, I have bought a new umbrella for you. Lucy told Diana that she had bought a new umbrella for her. So with that, I come to the end of today's video. I hope you have understood how to change direct speech to indirect speech. I'll come up with some more examples in some future classes. Thank you so much for being with me. Meet you again very soon. Bye.